Meaning of impacted.
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 Impacted. The term impacted refers to a situation where something or someone is greatly affected or influenced by another factor or circumstance. In a positive sense, it can imply a strong and beneficial effect, such as a successful program that has impacted the lives of many people. However, it can also have a negative connotation, indicating a harmful or damaging influence, such as an economic crisis that impacted the global markets. Regardless of the context, being impacted suggests a significant shift or change in the status quo, resulting in a noticeable difference or consequence.